When we patch a personal FM transmitter to the iPad, the problem is the cable will override the speakers from the iPad, so that nobody else except the student will be able to hear the audio from the iPad. This is what I mean. Before you patch, you can hear it, but once you patch to a cable, nobody else can hear it except the student with a personal receiver. So this is how you solve this problem. You will need something called a Y cable available at any electronics store. It's also called a 1 male to 2 female adapter. With this cable, one end would plug into the headphone jack located on the top left corner of the iPad. The cable from the Inspiral will now plug into one socket on the other end. This applies to the EasyLink too, by the way. Now another end, now you can plug in a set of regular earphones in order for one other person to hear it. So now the other person will be able to hear the audio from the iPad using these earphones. Or if you need the rest of the class to hear from the iPad as well, you can plug in an external speaker. I'm just using the regular audio cable that came with your FM system in this case. So one end of the cable plugs into here. The other end is plugged into the audio input of the external speaker. That audio signal came from the external speaker, so now everybody else can hear it in addition to the student with hearing loss.